Bypass TPM, secure boot, and minimum RAM checks. On this screen, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Type regedit, then press Enter to open Windows Registry Editor. Navigate to HKey Local Machine. Scroll down to System. Then Setup. Right-click on Setup, go to New, select Key. This will create a new key folder in Setup. Rename the key to labconfig. Take note of the camel case. We are going to create 3 entries in the labconfig key. With the labconfig key selected, right-click the right window pane, go to New, DWORD 32-bit value. Create another DWORD 32-bit value again. Right-click, go to New, DWORD 32-bit value. Repeat for the 3rd entry. We can rename all 3 entries in any order. Right-click the first entry. Go to Rename. Type bypass TPM check as one word. Note the camel case as used in naming the labconfig key. Next, right-click the second entry, go to Rename. Type bypass secure boot check. Once again, right-click the 3rd entry, go to Rename. Rename it to bypass RAM check. Finally, activate all 3 DWORD bypass values by setting their hexadecimal value data to 1. Double-click bypass TPM check entry to edit it. Change the value data from 0 to 1. Click OK. Double-click bypass secure boot check. Change the value data to 1. Do same for bypass RAM check. Close Registry Editor. Close Command Prompt. Go back. With the operating system you want to install selected, click Next. Accept the end-user licensing agreement. Choose the second option, that is customized, Install Windows Only Advanced. Select the partition you created with Disk Utility. Take note, I resized my partition in macOS from 125 GB to the current size. Format the partition. Click OK. Click Next. Windows installation will start.